you ever thought about how some people can become incredibly wealthy while others struggle to make ends meet? Does it make you wonder if there's some sort of secret formula to becoming rich that you're missing out on? Well, in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 things rich people do and poor people don't, which often make the difference. So, let's get started. Number 5. The rich are avid readers. Wealthy individuals live by the saying, "The more you learn, the more you earn." And this is often accomplished through reading. Books contain a wealth of ideas for a tiny price, but you have to read and understand them. For a small cost, books offer a plethora of ideas, but you must read and comprehend them. Reading is a widespread hobby among the wealthy, according to a study of 1,200 of them. Successful people, though, don't simply read anything. They choose their reading material carefully, preferring to be informed over amused. They consider books to be a gateway to education and knowledge. Number 4. Rich people spend time with successful people. Rich people are aware of how important your social network is to your success. People spend time with those who also love discussing possibilities, success, and other pleasant aspects of life for this reason. By doing this, these accomplished people have a better opportunity of improving their perspective on the world by surrounding themselves with positive people. Poor people make little effort to integrate themselves with people who will allow them to develop into more successful versions of themselves. Surround yourself with good, self-motivated people who will push you to be more innovative and determined. The more time you spend with them, the better your life will become. Number 3. Rich people are more concerned about their health. Wealthy people are much more likely to eat healthy food and keep junk food to a minimum. Coupled with healthy eating, successful people also tend to stay fit by exercising. 76% of wealthy folks do aerobic exercise at least 4 days per week, compared to 23% of low-income people. Wealthy people tend to get up earlier than others, an average of about 6 a.m. Number 2. Own your results. Rich people take responsibility. They are self-starters. Wealthy people own their thinking, own their actions, and own the results they produce. Successful people don't blame others, and they aren't concerned about who gets the credit. Rather, they are focused on what they are accomplishing and the impact it will have, whether on their own or with collaborators. Number 1. Create clear goals. If you don't know where you are going, you'll end up someplace else. Rich people tend to have very clear goals and priorities, which helps them stay focused. They know what needs to be achieved and when it needs to be done. They are more willing than others to go the extra mile and do what is necessary to achieve their goals. They not only work hard, but they also work smart and spend considerable time thinking about whether their actions are helping them to get closer to or further away from their goals. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.